An inversion in English is when the usual order of words is reversed. Typically, this means the verb is placed ahead of the subject, either for emphasis or to form a question. Let's look at 9 ways to form an inversion using the same subject matter, he is late, as a point of comparison. Is he late? There goes his chance of making it on time. Never has he been so late. Not only is he late, but he's also unprepared. Should he arrive late, the meeting will have already started. Were he on time, he could have caught the most important discussion. Had he left earlier, he wouldn't have been late. So late was he that the meeting had already ended. Only after he arrived did he realize how late he was. No sooner had he arrived than the meeting was adjourned. Hardly had he sat down when the meeting ended. Adjourned. Practice using one of these inversions, preferably a new one, in the comments below.